Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Nadeem and welcome to our another video on job interview training course. In this video, I will teach you how to prepare for a market research analyst interview. If you are applying for market research analyst role in any organization, make sure to stay tuned to this video because I promise to help you pass your interview at the first attempt. And to achieve this objective, I'm sharing with you the top most important market research analyst job interview questions along with their sample answers. I will also let you know the purpose of asking each question from the hiring manager so you can create your answer by including all those important things that I will teach you in this video. I have already uploaded a video on market research analyst job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Very quickly before we get started, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming career focused content. Alright, let's jump in. So the first important question that you should need to prepare for is, can you walk me through your approach to conducting market research for a new product or service? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your understanding of market research methodology and more importantly, your ability to develop a comprehensive research plan to gather insights relevant to launching a new product or service, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, when conducting market research for a new product or service, I start by clearly defining research objectives and identifying the target audience. Then I utilize a mix of qualitative and quantitative research methods such as surveys, focus groups, and competitor analysis to gather insights into consumer preferences, market trends, and competitive landscape. I analyze the data collected to inform product development, pricing strategy, and marketing approach. Question number 2. How do you ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data collected during market research projects? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your attention to detail, quality assurance processes, and more importantly, your commitment to delivering accurate and reliable insights, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, to ensure the accuracy and reliability of data, I pay close attention to survey design, sampling methods, and data collection procedures. I use validated survey instruments, conduct pre-tests to identify and address potential issues, and also employ rigorous quality control measures throughout the research process. Additionally, I verify data integrity through cross-validation techniques and triangulation of multiple data sources. Question number 3. Describe a time when you had to analyze complex market data and present actionable insights to stakeholders. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your analytical skills and more importantly, your ability to drive meaningful insights from data. So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, in a previous project, I was tasked with analyzing market data to inform a strategic decision on product expansion. I conducted in-depth market segmentation analysis, identified key market trends, and evaluated competitor strategies. Using visualizations and compelling narratives, I presented actionable insights to senior management, highlighting growth opportunities and potential risk. As a result, the company was able to make informed decisions and successfully launch new products. Question number 4. How do you stay updated with emerging trends and innovations in market research methodologies and tools? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to evaluate your commitment to continuous learning and also staying abreast of advancement in market research techniques and technologies, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay updated by regularly attending industry conferences, participating in webinars, and networking with peers in the market research community. Additionally, I subscribe to reputable industry publications and blogs to stay informed about emerging trends, best practices, and innovative tools in market research. I also actively seek opportunities to experiment with new methodologies and technologies to enhance the effectiveness of our research efforts. Question number 5. Can you provide an example of a time when you use market research to identify untapped market opportunities or address customer needs? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your interviewer is that your interviewer wants to assess your ability to leverage market research to identify growth opportunities, okay? So how you can answer to this particular question is that, Well, in a previous role, I conducted market research to understand consumer preferences and unmet needs in a specific segment of the market. Through in-depth interviews and surveys, I identified a gap in the market for a more affordable and accessible solution. I presented these findings to the product development team, and we successfully launched a new product that addressed the identified customer needs. The product received positive feedback from customers and contributed to increased market share for the company. So there you have it, 5 most important market research analyst job interview questions and answers. I have already uploaded a video on market research analyst job description that can also help you a lot in your interview preparation. The link is in the description of this video. Always remember that practice makes perfect, so take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Topper and also gives a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think would benefit from it, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a good day.